Chapter 10, Lesson 4, Uncontrolled Intersections. Why are uncontrolled intersections be dangerous? Why can't? Tell how to identify an uncontrolled intersection. An uncontrolled intersection has no signs or light signals to regulate traffic. Most are located in areas of light traffic. Objective: identify the actions to take as you approach an uncontrolled intersection. Using IPDE to approach an uncontrolled intersection. As soon as you identify an intersection, use your search skills. You should perform a series of steps at each of the 3 locations before an uncontrolled intersection. Search 12 to 15 seconds ahead will help you identify the uncontrolled intersection early. By the time you are within 4 to 6 seconds of the intersection, you should have decided your course of action. Get an update on your rear zone. What must you do when you're 2 seconds from the intersection? Approaching an intersection. You're driving with your friends and are approaching an intersection. Your friend speeds up to beat the light before it turns red. What should you say to your friend? Objective: describe some line of sight or path of travel restrictions you may encounter in an intersection. Identifying restrictions. If you have a line of sight restriction, reduce speed and adjust your lane position. Watch for path of travel restrictions. Objective: identify who has the right of way at uncontrolled intersections. Procedures at uncontrolled intersections. When 2 or more vehicles reach the intersection at the same time, who should have the right of way? Who has the right of way at this intersection? The car to the right has the right of way. What is an uncontrolled intersection? Why can these intersections be particularly dangerous? Name 4 line of sight and 2 path of travel restrictions you may encounter at a controlled intersection.